Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As I said, this video is a giveaway video. So let's select the giveaway winner. So I'm going to paste the Instagram link here. Then I'm going to generate the comments and pick one comment as a winner. So there are not that much comments, but I'm going to select only one giveaway winner. So let's start. Oh my god. Oh. The winner is my friend and I didn't expect this. He's my friend Yashwant, so let's draw him. I had heard that this picture is one of his favorite picture now. I had got this message from his sister, so I'm going to draw this. This is in complex art, so I'm starting it on 6 p.m. It took me 12 hours to complete. I didn't done any art with graphite in this much time. This is my first art which I had done for this much long time. That too I had done in overnight. I didn't sleep for this night. I worked fully on this drawing, and because of some technical failure I didn't upload on the usual time too, because I lost my footages. I don't know how it gone, but I had recorded it and I had edited this video and presented before you. Friends, a lot of you are known him, so he's Yashwant, who had studied high school with me, and then he is the teacher for me in a lot of things like photography, editing and so on. He introduced all those things to me. Later I had learned some more things with my own interest. So I'm doing this overnight and without any breaks. So this night is an sleepless night. He's the person who had started me an Instagram account, and then he motivated me to draw more and posting it on Instagram. He know all of my Instagram passwords and other things. He's such an interesting person who keeps all of your things with him. He's a very good photographer and musician, so if you want to know who is he, just check out his profile, or if you are interested in photography and the music, just check out his profile. Friends, please subscribe if you are not yet subscribed this channel. So I want to grow my family a lot, and I want to inspire a lot of people and teach a lot of people like you. Friends, I had completed this drawing. I am much satisfied with this art because I had bring a lot more details in his face. So this is one of my masterpieces in the collection of mine. Then the time is now is 4:30 a.m. So I'm going to sleep. Good night friends. Thanks for watching.